Namaste. Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Today we will practice hips opening yoga sequence. Thank you so much, Fidda Darby, for requesting this video. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. First of all, stand straight and tall. Gently place your feet nearly 3 feet apart. Inhale and send your both hands to the front and spread them to the sides. Turn to the right. Exhale and gently lower down your body to right. Try to touch the floor. You may use blocks as shown. Also, you may touch the shins. Do not push hard. Your body and legs are straight and firm. Left hand is raised above and try seeing your left palm. Hold for few seconds. Feel the stretches in your thighs and hamstrings. Inhale, look onto the floor. Bend your knees and raise your body and exhale to release. On the left side, inhale and send your both hands to the front and spread them to the sides. Turn to the left. Exhale and gently lower down your body to left. Try to touch the floor. Right hand is raised above and try seeing your right palm. Hold for few seconds. Feel the stretches in your thighs and hamstrings. Inhale, look onto the floor. Bend your knees and raise your body and exhale to release. Stand straight. Inhale, spread your legs. Both hands comes to the heart center and exhale to lower your hips all the way down to be a froggy. Your elbows are inside of the knees. Feel the stretches in your hips and thighs. Your chest opens up. Adjust yourself to be comfortable. Find a little resistance here as we squeeze the legs. Breathing is normal. Inhale, slowly rise, exhale, release your hands. Now slowly turn to your left. Your palms are placed at the top of your mat and left leg at front outside of the hands. Inhale to be in runner lunge, right leg to the back and toes at the ground. Exhale, lower your back knee. Inhale and exhale while you lower your knee. Hold for a few seconds. Now right knee touches the ground and toes tucked on the ground. You may gently raise your left hand to be placed on the left knee, gently guiding for a gentle sideways rocking motion. Feel the gentle stretches on your thighs, hamstrings, and hips. After a few seconds, release your hand to be on the ground. Next, for a variation of one-legged pigeon. While on the same pose, pull your left leg gently towards the arms and place your chin under the chest, close to the arms to the right. Adjust. Your upper body is straight and firm. Head is held high in confidence. Open up your chest. Your right leg is straight and stretched and hips are stretched. Hold for a few seconds. Breathing is normal. Feel how this helps you in stretching your hips and thigh muscles. Enjoy the sensations. Inhale. Now place your arms on the ground. Exhale. Hang your head and hold. You may use blocks to place your head on top of it. Hold onto it for a few seconds. Now if you can, you may fold your arms at the front and place your forehead on it. You are relaxing. Enjoy these moments. Feel the muscles that has been worked out. After some time, inhale to raise so the upper body is supported by the arms. Exhale, gently release your left leg to be in natural position. Now change the leg. Your palms are placed at the top of your mat and right leg at front outside of the hands. Inhale to be in runner lunge. Left leg to the back and toes at the ground. Exhale, lower your back knee. Inhale and exhale while you lower your upper body. Hold for few seconds. Breathing is normal. You may gently raise your right hand to be placed on the right knee, gently guiding for a gentle sideways rocking motion. Feel the gentle stretches on your thighs, hamstrings and hips. After few seconds, release your hand to be on the ground. Next, while on the same pose, pull your right leg gently towards the arms and place your chin under the chest close to the arms. Adjust. Your upper body is straight and firm. You are gazing at a distance confidently. Your left leg is straight and stretched, and hamstrings are stretched. Breathing is normal. Inhale and exhale. Now place your arms on the ground. Hang your head and hold. You may use blocks to place forehead on top of it. Hold onto it for few seconds. Now if you can, you may fold your arms at the front and place your forehead on it. You are relaxing. Enjoy these moments. Feel the muscles that has been worked out. After some time, inhale up and exhale to release. Upper body is supported by the arms. Gently release your right leg to its natural position and be seated comfortably. In a seated pose, bring your both feet towards your pelvis as close as you can and join them to form a winged butterfly. You may interlace your fingers and use this to hold your feet close to the pelvis. Your body is straight. Gently flap your legs just like a butterfly flapping its wings. Breathing is normal. This opens up your hips and relaxes your back. Inhale and exhale. Slowly lower down your upper body to touch the floor. You may use blocks to be in this position if you are unable to touch the floor. Feel the stretches on your hips and thighs. After some time, inhale, you may raise. Now support your knees to flap the knees up and down. Inhale, up, knees meet end, and exhale, down to the floor. After few rounds, you may release. Now let us be in a split pose. Be seated at the center of your mat with your legs to the front. Slowly open up your left leg and right leg. Spread them as much as you can. Do not push too hard. Inhale, raise your left hand and exhale,
Bend your body to the right to catch the right shins and cartwheel your left hand to toss the right toes. You may go halfway if you cannot. Inhale gently up your body and exhale to release your hands. Now next side. Inhale, raise your left hand, exhale, bend your body to the left to catch the left shins and cartwheel your right hand to touch the left toes. You may push your hands as much as possible. Inhale, slowly raise up your upper body and exhale to release your hands. Inhale and exhale, slowly bend your body forward to touch the floor. You may want to spread your hands to the front to touch the floor. Breathing is normal. Feel the gentle stretches. Gaze forward and enjoy the effects that it has to the entire body. Breathe deep in and out. Inhale and rise slowly. Exhale, release. Let us be seated for a cow-faced pose, where right leg is placed on top of left leg. Inhale, raise your left hand up and to the back. Exhale and use your right hand to catch your left hand at your back. Look straight. Your head and hand support each other. Your upper body and neck is straight and firm. Inhale and exhale deep to release the hands and legs. Now let us change the role of hands and legs. Right leg on top of left thigh and left leg supports the body. Raise your right hand up and to the back and use your left hand to catch your right hand at your back. Both hands and upper body are stretched. If you can't touch, then you can use towel, some straps. Inhale and exhale deep to release the hands and legs. Lay down on your back, your knees are folded and toes are together. Gently spread your knees and the hands are on your thighs. Feel the gentle stretches on your thighs and hips. Shift your hands on your belly as if you are giving yourself a deep hug with a grace. Inhale, pull your belly to the spine. Exhale, lower down your belly. After a few rounds, release your hands to be on your thighs. Gently bring your knee to the center and back to the floor. Again to the center and back to the floor. After a couple of rounds, inhale and exhale to rise slowly. Now lay on your back. Inhale and gently raise your right leg. Exhale, bend at the knee and place your left hand on the knee to guide it gently to the left. The hips and thighs touches the floor. Right hand spreads wide. Try seeing to your right. Hold. How are your hips and legs doing? Feel the sensations running around the body. Breathing is normal. Inhale, raise up, and exhale to release while the right leg cartwheels to lay on the ground. Next leg, and gently raise your left leg, bend at the knee and place your right hand on the knee to guide it gently to the right, and hips and thighs touches the floor. Left hand spreads wide and try seeing your left palm. Hold on for few seconds. Feel the sensations running around the hips and your body. Inhale and exhale to release while the left leg cartwheels to lay on the ground. Let's do a variation. Inhale, gently raise your right leg. Exhale, you may bend at the knee and guide it gently to the left. Your right leg touches the floor and grab the right toe using your left hand. If you cannot touch the toe, you may stretch as much as possible. Right hand spreads wide. Try seeing your right side. You may bend the knee if you want. Breathing is normal. Inhale, raise up, and exhale to release while the right leg cartwheels to lay on the ground. Next leg, gently raise your left leg. You may bend at the knee and guide it gently to the right. Your left leg touches the floor and grab the left toe using your right hand. Left hand spreads wide and try seeing your left palm. Hold on for a few seconds. Feel these more intense stretches and sensations running around the body. Breathing is normal. Inhale and exhale to release while the left leg cartwheels to lay on the floor. Now let us end today's session by resting in an active way in a child's pose. Sit on top of your heels. Your knees are spread wide. Inhale deep and exhale full to slowly draw your both hands to the front and the head follows to be in the mat. Breathe normally. Observe your breath, your thoughts, how they come and go. Feel the stretches and the sensations running through the body, and your sore muscles may feel relaxed by now. Your entire body is in rest. Focus on your relaxation, your breath, letting go of all thoughts. Our goal is to be healthy and foster happiness around us and welcome positivity within our body and mind. Namaste.
Thank you so much everyone for joining me in this practice. How does your thighs and hip muscles feel now? Please comment below. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.